We are kicking off the show with a DIY project sure to make your patio the place that you'll want to hang this spring, and I mean hang. If you visited the trendy spot in Utah County called Shade Home and Garden, you have surely spotted this hanging bed. It's the showpiece of the entire store and a spot everybody wants to spend time in when visiting. Well, today we are so excited to have JJ Lund with us from Shade Home and Garden to show us how to make this cool outdoor bed. Oh my goodness, let me set up my morning. I'm hearing rumblings, right, about this creation on the plaza. Everyone's like, you won't believe it, you won't believe it. I understand there were students from the business college stopping to take pictures to send to their mom. Then I walked out, and I'm gonna go on record, this is the most impressive assembly we have ever seen. This is amazing.
Well, thank you.
Amazing.
We're pretty proud of it. We're actually thinking about just starting a marketing campaign right here in the plaza.
you
know?
could.
Yeah, trying to get some
drawing
business.
in the buzz for sure.
For
so describe this structure. Give us the dimensions and give us a feel for what it really is.
Okay, so we have one of these in our store. It's actually a different model. We brought this one today because this is an easy one to build. We're going to teach you about it.
Okay.
But this is something that can be used in a lot of different places. It's about 6 by 10 feet long.
It's huge.
It is huge.
Yeah.
It's big enough to, you know, do some activities on for sure.
Careful. Family-friendly show.
Outside, yeah, no windows, no doors.
Okay.
Anyways, no, we love it. It's a big hit. Everybody likes it. It's kind of expensive, to be honest, so we're going to try to teach people how to build their own.
Well, let's pin down on the finance side of the street because you sell this in the store for...
It's around $2,500.
$2,500. So it becomes that dream patio piece that we can all hope for. This DIY reconstruction will save you what?
Oh, a couple $1,000s, the way I'm going to teach you how to do it.
You're going to show us how to make this for around $500-600, I understand.
Yeah, maybe even a little cheaper than that.
Okay, you're starting us off with a supply list, you guys. This is seriously so cool. Does it hold a lot of weight? I'm not going to test it out. But does it hold quite a bit?
No, yeah, you could put a family... I mean, you could put 6 or 8 people on here, to be honest.
Gosh.
Obviously, depending on what it's hung to or where it's attached to, but yeah, it's very strong.
A family could just spend their whole spring and summer days and nights on this hanging bed. Okay, supply list.
Okay.
Tell us what we need to pull this project off.
Okay, so we have a supply list that you now have online so everybody can go and look at it.
We're looking at it right now on the screen.
Yep, there's 2x3s, there's 2x4s, there's 2x6s, 2x8s, there's some 4D rings, a box of screws, 40 feet of rope, and some wood glue is pretty much all you need, and a drill.
Basic trip to the hardware store.
Basic trip to Home Depot or Lowe's, and you can pick all this up.
Okay, then what? Once we have the supplies, the fun really starts.
Yeah, so literally we're about $100 into our supplies to build this.
Okay.
We've used a pine wood, which is really easy to work with and anybody can get. The nice thing about it is it's cheap enough. If you mess something up, you just cut another one and start over.
We won't feel bad about it.
So the structure of it's simple. I start out making what I would call more or less a little 2x3 wall of the dimensions. Now, granted, you can do whatever size you want, but this dimensions are built for a twin size bed.
Now, help me see this. Is this the actual like mattress holder?
So this is the actual, this right here is the actual mattress holder.
Okay, cushion goes on that.
So we're gonna build this first.
Okay.
Then we're gonna inset this inside of these 2x6s.
Okay, okay.
All right. And then we will bolt that to that. I've left some screws out on this side so the viewers can see how it's set. And then it's easy. I mean, it's just a matter of taking a picture, looking at this online, and throwing some stuff together.
Will you elaborate on the screws, Josh? Maybe you can get in here a little bit and show people how you've done this on either side.
These are just some simple decking screws that you can get. I mean, it's $7 for a small box of them at Home Depot. Pre-drill the holes works the best so you don't split the lumber, and set them. There is a few key points that you want to remember.
Listening.
So with this big ledger on the outside, if somebody sits on it, it's going to break. So a lot of people forget to put in little support type of scenarios. So this, in a nutshell, is going to slip right under here, and that'll sit on and be a strong point. Screw it in 2 different spots, so it'll never break and last you forever.
So as the weight goes side to side, those beams are going to be stable.
Yeah. The other thing about pine is it doesn't take to stain as good. But it takes to paint great. So anybody can paint. So pick a color, paint it. After a year, change the color if you want.
So not only does this have a cool function that will just provide, I mean, months of family fun and outdoor entertainment, but you can aesthetically kind of play it up to fit your garden space.
Oh yeah, yeah. If you want to change your style, you go white one year, go black the next year, you're good to go.
Look at you. All right, and then what about the mattress? Where would I get that cushion?
Okay, so the reason why the ones we sell at the store are expensive is because we actually do an outdoor, heavy-duty, water-resistant mattress.
Gotcha.
Those can be expensive. Those can cost $1,000 for the mattress alone. But you can go to IKEA, get one for $150 to $300 for an interior mattress that you might have to just put in your shop.
If you want to just go the disposable route. But I have to say, knowing Utah's unpredictable weather patterns, even through the summer season, that cushion is worth its weight in gold. The ropes, talk to us about the suspension of this guy.
So this is another fun way that you can change the look also. You can just stay with a simple 4-rope design. You could put 8 ropes on, you can do spirals, you can do chains. I mean, there's lots of different ways you can change the look for simple and easy and cheap.
This is incredible. I mean, when people walk into your store, is this the first thing that they comment on?
Oh yeah, it's by far the biggest. Everybody sits on it. Kids are playing on it all the time. Everybody wants one.
All right, well, you are kicking off your second season, and this is a fun way for us to kick off our spring season with this awesome project, so thank you for breaking it down. We'll post the instructions for you on your website if you want to put this on your husband's honey-do list. Mine's going to be real thrilled with that list after I come home today. I think a lot of women's kind of minds are spinning. You've kind of opened up the DIY drawer, so to speak, as far as the possibilities, but you also have a fun event coming up to celebrate the store that we want to get in on.
Yeah, so the springtime obviously is our big time of the year, but we are announcing our new event center. We have a wedding reception center that's inside of one of our greenhouses.
Awesome.
It's turned out amazing. We've had a ton of great reviews. Everybody's loving it. We want everybody to come see it, so we're actually going to give away 100 of these succulents to the first people that come down. Mention Studio 5 in the store. You get a free succulent, and you can do a little tour of our event center in the store.
I like that challenge. The race is on. Studio 5 will show up for you. I guarantee it. Get your free succulent. Hang out with these cool guys and their cool garden designs. It's really a unique boutique type of a garden shop. You can check out the new reception center while you're there. Where are you located?
435 South, Geneva Road, Orem, Utah.
All right, we're going to be dreaming of this patio bed for the next little while. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brooke.
Really fun.